Welcome to Error Genie, your trusted source for solving gaming and tech issues. If you're encountering the EOS SDK-Win64-Shipping error while trying to play Turmoil on your PC, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the EOS SDK-Win64-Shipping error. This error is related to the Epic Online Services SDK, EOSSDK, which is used for online features in games. The error may occur due to missing or corrupted game files, incompatible software versions, network issues, or firewall restrictions. Follow the steps below to fix it. Step 2. Verify game files on Steam. Corrupted or missing files can cause this error. Verify the game files to ensure everything is intact. Open Steam, navigate to Library and locate Turmoil. Right-click on Turmoil and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete and relaunch the game. Step 3. Update or reinstall Epic Online Services EOS. If the Epic Online Services SDK is outdated or missing, update or reinstall it. Visit the official Epic Online Services website. Download the latest version of the Epic Games Launcher. Install or update the launcher to ensure you have the latest EOS components. Restart your PC and try launching Turmoil again. Step 4. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Sometimes your antivirus or firewall may block the EOS SDK. Disable antivirus. Open your antivirus program. Temporarily disable real-time protection or add Turmoil as an exception. Disable firewall. Open Control Panel, then System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off on the left. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, both private and public networks. After testing the game, re-enable your antivirus and firewall. Step 5. Update Visual C++ redistributables. The EOS SDK relies on Visual C++ redistributables. Update them to ensure compatibility. Download the latest Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's official page. Install both x86 and x64 versions. Restart your PC and relaunch the game. Step 6. Update DirectX. Outdated DirectX versions can also cause EOSSDK errors. Visit the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. Download and install the latest version of DirectX. Restart your PC and try launching Turmoil again. Step 7. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, a clean reinstallation can resolve the issue. Uninstall Turmoil via Steam or Control Panel. Restart your PC. Download and install the game again from a trusted source, e.g., Steam. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the EOS SDK-Win64-Shipping error and get back to enjoying Turmoil on your PC. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching Error Genie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video. Happy gaming!